Welcome Year 6 students to Step 1. In Step 1, there are 4 steps required. The first step is there's a link to what is cyberbullying. I want you Year 6 students to click the link, read, understand what is cyberbullying, and stop reading up to the video. The second step is read the poster. The poster is how to avoid cyberbullies. Read it, understand it, take notes. Then the third step is watch the video. The video just summarizes the first 2 steps. Also listen, understand, take notes. The fourth step is where to get help. Where to get help, there are 2 images and there's also a couple of dot points as well. Read, understand, take Year 6 students. I want you to understand what is cyberbullying in detail, how to avoid it, where to get help, what is cyberbullying. Understand it, take your time doing with the sources. So take your time with the what is cyberbullying, take your time to read the poster, take your time when you're listening to the video, take your time where to get help so that you can understand and you don't find it difficult in step 2 and step 3. Good luck, Year 6 students!